It's the fastest, safest, easiest way for anyone to tie their own tackle, with a perfect knot that won't slip undone and lose the fish. Check it out. Tie a hook on with Hook-Eze, put the ring on the finger, open it up. It'll go from a 4/0 down to the smallest hook. You tie fly swivels and jigs as well. Put your line through the eye and rotate the handle half a dozen turns for the clinch knot, through the loop at the bottom, and lock the knot out the top loop. Wet the line and pull the knot tight safely. On the back there's a line trimmer. No more bite in the line. Perfect knot every time, so it won't slip undone and lose the fish. When you finish fishing, you put the hook back in and it attaches to the fishing rod, so you travel safely in the car or the boat.